Hey guys, hope you are doing great. I have started this short video series and as well as a blog post series to help you identify the speed issue, slow loading pages on your website, and by fixing that, improve user experience as well as your search engine rankings. So the first uh, blog post or short video that I have chosen is this one: how you can use Google Search Console to assess the impact of page speed on your SEO. So I have also published a blog about it on my website that you can check it out, manmesh consulting slash blog. So I have included all the details, including some screenshot as to how you can use Google Search Console to identify the pages that are actually impacting your website speed and by extension of that your SEO. So if you are gonna fix that, then you can not just improve user experience, but you can improve your search engine performance as well. So you can go through this article, but let me show you live. So in your Google Search Console, you have to come to the Core Web Vitals part, and then you're gonna land here, and you have to choose the mobile version because Google is mobile first index, so you have to prioritize uh, mobile over desktop. So, and these are the issues, like for instance, let's tackle the warning first, the serious issue first. This one, poor. So it's saying that it has LCP issue, and on mobile it's taking more than 4 seconds, the largest contentful paint. So that's the page that has this issue. So you can go in there and you can fix it. Of course, it's gonna show you your own website's content, and to learn what is LCP and what is first contentful paint and all the uh, other things that are included in the core web vitals, you can go through this article. I have included each and everything, including the instructions for tips for optimizing, and which one to pick first, and all that, and some short definitions of all the metrics. So you can go through this article, and you can fix your speed issues, and you can improve your SEO. Let me know what do you think about this video in the comments, and see you soon.